present you His Excellency, Mr. Ernesto Cespedes Oropeza, the non-resident ambassador of Mexico to Fiji.
Mr. President, may I present to you the letters of credence that my president, Madam Claudia Sheinbaum, addressed to you to accredit me as the ambassador of Mexico, non-resident ambassador of Mexico to the Republic of Fiji.
Thank you. Yes.
Please receive a greeting from
Yes.
Madam President of Mexico.
Thank you so much obliged.
Thank you.
Your Excellency, Mr. Oropeza,
Correct. Perfectly pronounced, Mr.
Oropeza.
Oropeza.
Yeah. I am pleased to have received your credentials, which you just delivered a while ago. And I will welcome you most warmly to the Republic of Fiji. And I wish you a happy and successful mission, sir. Please convey to Excellency the President and the government and the people of the United Mexican States our warmest wishes for their continued well-being, peace, and prosperity.